Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about how to fix HTC phone that won't turn on. A quick and reliable guide. Number 1. Charge the device. Connect your phone to a wall charger. Avoid using a computer USB port and let it charge for at least 10 minutes. Number 2. Force restart. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 15 seconds. If the device vibrates or the screen turns on, release the buttons. Number 3. Reset charging lock. Reset charging logic. With the phone off, press and hold power, volume up and volume down buttons together for approximately 2 minutes. Release all buttons, then charge the phone fully before attempting to turn it on. Number 4. Ensure the charging port is clean and free of debris. Use a non-metallic tool to gently remove any obstructions. Thanks for watching.